Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Let's just make sure this is sound good. Fantastic. Okay. One second, we'll get right started. All right, excellent. I'm Mr. Shank, expert teacher of over a decade, bilingual in Korean, and tutor to the elite. I am glad you're here. Welcome to today's lesson. You saw those brands, and today, you know what it is. We're talking about shopping. Is that your hobby? Whose hobby is that? I love to do a little shopping every now and then. Now, today, the idea here and the goal is that you'll be able to take what we learn here today and go shopping. And we're going to do it the same way that we did yesterday, in the same way that I've been teaching, which is number one, vocabulary. Nothing's more important than vocabulary. Number two, the phrases. Phrases are those chunks of words that help you communicate. Number three, you'll do this on your own, but it's visualizing. That's imagining yourself at the mall, looking at the clothes, talking to the cashier, talking to the clerk about trying the clothes on. And then finally, number four, you go out and really do it. I applied this same idea, this exact same method 11 years ago when I first moved to South Korea. And I decided one day that I wanted to get better at Korean and I needed to. So I took my study book, I went to a cafe, ordered a nice iced latte, and I studied the vocabulary words. I studied those phrases that I needed to know. I visualized it, imagined it in my mind, and then I went out. First place I went to was, if you're in Asia, you know it, Uniqlo. That's right. I went there, I went shopping. I didn't even intend to buy anything. I just intended to practice my Korean. And I got better. And I applied that same idea, the same methodology to other areas and got better and better and better. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's take a look at it. We're going to start with some very important vocabulary words here. And we're going to do about 4 or 5 words. And the first one is going to be, let me see if I can get a little better angle. That's a little better. The first vocab word that we're looking at here today is fitting room. Fitting room. Now let's see. Are you able to see that well? Yeah, we can see that pretty well. Good. All right. So we got fitting room. Now that is the very first word. Looks a little too blurry for my taste. It's a bit better there. We'll just bring it up again. No worries. Fitting room. This is the place where you can try on the clothes. As you're shopping, you think, I like this shirt. Does it fit me? Let me try it on. You need to go to the fitting room. That's where you're going to change your clothes. Try that thing on. Number 2 here. Let's say this word with me. See if you can figure it out. Cashier. Who notices the base word here? Another word within this word. Some of you caught it. Some of you caught it when you said it. Cash. Cash is the paper form of our currency, the paper form of our money. So cashier, who is that? Is the person that we pay our money to when we want to buy something. After we go to the fitting room, we try it on, we decide, I like it, I want to buy it. We go to the cashier and we pay them the money to give us that clothes. The next word here, I'm going to do two words at the same time. Number one is casual wear. And number two, formal wear. Let's talk about these words first. Number one, casual wear. Number two, formal wear. Casual, everyday clothes. It's not too fancy. It's just everyday clothes. Jeans and a t-shirt in America. Formal wear is fancy clothes. This is maybe a suit, tuxedo, a dress, evening dress, these kinds of clothes. So the difference here is casual, everyday, simple and plain, formal, special occasions, it's your fancy clothes. Good. These are the words that we needed to learn first. And now we're going to talk about some clothes vocabulary. Let me go ahead and erase this. Oh, by the way, after this video ends, I'm going to put a PPT that you can download in the description box with all of these vocab words and tons more, including tons more phrases that's going to help you go shopping today. All right. Now, these next few words here, I'm going to show you how good I am at drawing by doing this. First, we've got our male character here, and he will be wearing, we've got shirt. Next, he's decent man, so he's going to get on his pants. Follow me so far? We've got shirt, pants. We'll give him a smiley face. Happy guy. Shirt and pants. Now here's another word for pants, not so common, at least in the United States, but other places might use it. It's the word trousers. It's a little bit older word, at least in America. But most of the time we can use pants, but you can also use the word trousers. Now the next one here is we'll be drawing are the clothes that we have for females here. So let's go ahead and draw. Here we're going to go ahead and draw. I don't know how to draw very well. There we go. Look at the lovely, lovely dress. Look at that. So this is what we call dress. This is the kind of clothes, and that goes all the way to the ground. It's not the pants. And then the kind of clothes that ladies like to wear that is cut in half there, and on the top we've got a shirt, and the bottom we call that skirt. Now this is all the, I'll go ahead and write that one down. Skirt. Excellent. And be impressed with my drawing. It's fine. Okay, now let's go back to other vocabulary. We're going to put those together to make our important phrases. We're going to put just a couple down here. Number one is can I try this on? So remember back You're looking for the clothes, you find one that you like, and you decide you want to see if it fits. Well, we're going to use this phrase. Find the clerk, the employee, and ask them, can I try this on? And they're going to point you in the right direction. And if you get lost, this is where phrase number 2 comes in, which is, where is the fitting room? Number 2, where is the fitting room? Okay, and let's go on to number 3. You'll find it, you like it, you've tried it on, it fits, and then the last thing is you're wondering about the price. So you ask this question: how much is this? Boom. So we've got 1, 2, not a 3 yet. Now a 3. 3 phrases, very important phrases that we want to be sure that we are using. These are the essential phrases at the when you go shopping. If you know these 3, you can go shopping right now. So, however, whenever we speak, we want to have good pronunciation, intonation, fluency, and flow. Fluency means I can talk about it easily. So all of these sentences, you want them to sound easy and natural. The way we do it is by practicing it over and over again correctly. Let's take a look. Number 1, can I try this on? Can I try this on? There's a rhythm, right? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? So practice it over and over again. Slow it down. Can I try this on? Do individual words. Can I try this on? Chunk it. Can I try this on? Put it all together. Can I try this on? That's the best way to improve your fluency and pronunciation. Take a look at number 2. Excuse me. Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? There we go. Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? So practice that phrase the same way we do number 1. And the last one here, how much is this? How much is this? How much is this? Perfect. Let's put this down. Now, the idea here to get very good, very fluent, and successful is don't stop here. Don't stop now. You've learned the vocabulary. You learned the phrases. Now, what you need to do is visualize it. Imagine yourself going to the store, buying these clothes, looking for them, shopping, trying it on, using these phrases. And then step 4 is you go out and do it. All right. And finally, a couple reminders here. Again, after this video ends, I'm going to put a free PDF, a free file in the description that you can download, and it has many more phrases than this that's going to help you today. Going to help you go shopping for clothes and be successful in those areas. And be on the lookout for my next live video or my next video that's dropping. So in order to do that, and if you got value today, I'd love it if you would like, subscribe, and share this. And finally here, with these videos, it's my hope, dream, and prayer that you would find value in it. It would help you to live more comfortably, achieve your dreams, and live successfully in English. And if this has helped you at all and been beneficial, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.